In the list of citations, we see legislative actions that have an effect on the statutory provision. This is where we would find amendments or repeals or similar actions affecting the provision itself. Next are listed citations to the statute in various cases, arranged by jurisdiction, which reveal how the statute has been applied and interpreted by the courts. We'll review this process again in a more practical setting. In the next couple of minutes, you'll learn how to shepherdize a case by observing two attorneys as they prepare for appeal. This is the defense attorney for the A to Z Manufacturing Company, a manufacturer of low-cost household appliances who is preparing the appeal of an unusually high punitive damages award on a products liability case for her client. Like preparing for any legal proceeding, building a case requires locating examples of good law that reflect a legal precedent to your client. The shepardizing process usually starts with a case or statute reference that has been mentioned in a legal document or publication. There are many ways to begin the process. In fact, you might want to use one of several research tools published by Shepard's McGraw-Hill, among them, Causes of Action. There are also other ways to start your research, such as legal digests and encyclopedias or legal treatises. The plaintiff, anxious to win the appeal and maintain the $500,000 compensatory damages award and the unusually high $10 million punitive damages award, must be equally prepared to produce examples of good law substantiating the high punitive damages award. Regardless of the starting point, the objective is to locate points of case law or statutory law helpful in advancing your case or providing a viable defense. In the shepardizing example you're about to see, the attorney for the defendant has filed a motion to reduce the punitive damages and is putting the finishing touches on her brief before filing it and sending it to the opposing attorney.
I think I found it. It's called Stambaugh versus International Harvester from the Illinois Appellate Court, 435 Northeast 2nd, 729. It's a case in which a jury awarded a man who'd been burned by the gas tank of a tractor compensatory damages of $650,000 and punitive damages of $15 million, which the judge felt was excessive and reduced to $650,000, the same as the compensatory damages. It's exactly what we need to demonstrate that our punitive damages are excessive.
Great. Okay, this thing needs to get there before 5 o'clock, so go get the final draft typed up. Yes. Oh, hi, Ken. Yes, don't worry. We're just finishing up our brief now, and I'll get you a copy soon. Say, by the way, I think we've got this thing wrapped up. Uh-huh. Are you going to see it in our brief in a little while? It's a case from the Illinois Appellate Court called Stambaugh versus International Harvester. Yes, exactly on point, and the punitive damages were reduced. What can I say? We'll see you at the hearing.
She seems pretty confident about the hearing. The brief won't be here for a little while. I wonder if I can refute their argument. Hello? Huh. Hi, Joe. Yeah, I just got off the phone with their attorney. And, tonight? Well, I'm trying to get this case together, and, yeah, I know. You know I want this thing to fly. Well, if it's that important to you, Okay, well, let me look at their case and see if we have anything to celebrate in advance. Okay, see you tonight at 8. They're ready to celebrate, and I haven't even reviewed the defense's brief yet. What was that? They were relying on an Illinois case involving International Harvester. Better look in the Shepard's Illinois case name citator and see where I can find the opinion. Here it is. Volume 435 of the Northeastern 2nd Series, page 729. The defendant's business is essentially the manufacture and distribution of farm machinery. The circuit court entered judgment on the compensatory damages award, but the verdict shocks the conscience of the court. We think that the interest of the public will be served in their conduct analogous to that reflected in the case upon the part of the defendant and others similarly situated. Will be deterred by an award of punitive damages, which is equal to the amount of compensatory damages, $650,000. Well, they've got a case that says exactly what they want it to say. I wonder if it's still good law.